Yeah, it's one of my, I really like this box. It's called the GloveBox. Clean, Drive, Repeat. This is for car detailing enthusiasts, or if you just really love your car. Yep, and then of course I got my Moon Watcher shirt on. Got this on Etsy. It says Moon Watcher Society since 1965. I love anything with the moon on it. I have like a moon obsession, so just thought I'd say that. Alright, now this is the GloveBox box. Clean, Dry, Repeat, GloveBoxDetail.com. So if you guys like your cars, you know, some people get therapy detailing their cars, other people hate it. You know, it's just whatever it is that you like. I enjoy taking care of my car. It's kind of like grooming a horse. It's, you know, being in the barn and grooming a horse. It's really relaxing, so I like it. It's kind of bad for the nails, so I might wear gloves the next time. This is a GloveBox sticker. This is a retail value of $65. So, yeah. I don't remember how much I paid. Probably like 30-ish. I don't know. I'll leave that information down below. Whoopsies, we got a leak in this one. Try and wipe it off. It smells like grapes though. This is the Wash and Gloss Professional Grade Cleaner and Gloss Enhancer. And even better is that it smells like grapes. How fun. But we did get a little bit of a leak in the box, so that's kind of sad. Well, what can you do? Sometimes I guess that happens. That is really amazing. I think this is going to be better than the shampoo I had, and I almost washed my car yesterday and it was 95 degrees, like just temperature wise, and in the sun, oh my gosh, like it was a scorcher yesterday and I didn't want anything to do with washing my car. And if I had a shaded area I might, but you know, with the spotting when you're dry and all that, it's just not a lot of fun. And it's like you're sweating like a little piggy. Item number 2. Oh, that is a value of only $9.99 and you get 30% off. Or we got 30% off maybe. But wow. Recommend that if you like grapey, like cough syrup medicine. I don't know, I kind of like that taste. This is Water Spot Remover Jax Wax. Jax Wax Water Spot Remover. And I do get spots on my car sometimes, like when it's drying and you don't get all the water off, and then you got like a spot on your window or paint, and you really gotta like rub it. So I guess you would use this product for that. A unique formulation that will eliminate hard water spots from glass and painted surfaces. This easy to use formula is extremely effective in removing water spots that have been left on a vehicle surface for a long period of time. Always try a test spot. Make sure to work out of direct sunlight. That's hard to do for me unless it's like sunset. Like right now the sun's going down, so I could go play in my car right now. Spray water spot remover on a, okay, so this is the sprayer for this bottle. You spray it on your spot and I guess you rub it in. So I guess you have to wash it off, and that's kind of a bummer, but you know. This is a value of $14.95. Next we have Lithium Luster Lube. Lithium Luster Lube. Value of $20. So he's the golden child of the box. Looks to be made in the USA. That's really good as well. Support our country. It's always good. Yeah, like it's best clay lubricant ever. ever made. Also, the best spray detailer you can find. Unbelievable luster and shine, hydrophobic, H2O hater. So this is gonna make water bead up. Oh boy, I'm gonna rub this all over my little Boris Raptor. That'll like make him look so nice. Hopefully it's okay, because he has that like a sticker applique on the back, and hopefully this is safe for that. I like to put, you know, sun protectant on the stickers. Maybe GloveBox would know how to make my Raptor stickers last longer and not get sun faded and not crack, because the heat and sun where I live is intense. It wrecks everything. And here's another sprayer for that bottle. Ooh, this is a really fun wash mitt. I guess you could kind of, like, if you don't have a lot of water, you could just also dry off those leftover spots. You know, sometimes if you let your car sit for a little bit, a lot of the water comes off and then you can just dry it. But this is a wash mitt, and it has a little thing for your thumb to put in there to hold it. It feels really fun and nice, and you got two different sides to work with. So neato. That's for my luster lube, I believe. Oh. Maybe this is, see what I know. This is a wash mitt. I think, which one's a mitt and which one's a glove? This one must be a glove, because it goes around your wrist, like you put your hand in it. So I'm gonna say this is the glove and this is the mitt. I could be wrong, but whatever. I think this one's used for washing, so this must be, this is the wash and wash mitt. This is for washing. So this with the purple stuff, you could use this with your luster lube, shine lithium. So that's what I'm gonna do. Is there one more thing or no? No, that's just paper. Boop. Alright. Thank you, GloveBox. I will be using this, and I did have to cancel my subscription just because I'm spending too much money, and right now is not really the time, but I will enjoy this. Alright, that is my GloveBox box unboxing and first reactions, and let me tell you that I recommend that wash. I'll give this luster a smell. I forgot to snuff it. It's slightly minty. It smells like show sheen if you own horses, like I do. It smells like something you'd put on the horse's coat to condition and shine. Like Cowboy Magic or show sheen. Kind of minty. I can't. It just smells like a horse product. Yep. And what's this one? Oh, the water spot. I don't know if this has a smell. Ugh. Kind of smells like glue. Not the best. This one's not made for smelling. The car wash and luster lube are. Alright, so we got those items and the $65 value. Yep, I will leave a link if you would like to try this box for yourself and give your car some love, because right now, when we're all in quarantine, what else are you going to be doing? You might as well wash your car and make it look good. And it's good therapy for your mind, and you can think while you're actually doing something productive. Alright, thank you. Subscribe if you would. Also, press the notification bell, and please please press the like button and share if you would. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Happy cleaning your cars.